Ayun po tayo. Pabas ko naman hindi.
Kumondelensyo.
Magpayong po tayo, magpayong.
Hey, the show must go on. We now welcome the athletes from the private sector. The St. Dominic College Elementary School, SDC.
Aswan na ba ito with high school? We also aswan as high school, mag-presis. With high school na ito? Ay, hindi pa. Ay, okay na.
So together with the athletes from their high school department, the St. Dominic College of Batanes, SDC.
With our school president, Sister Imelda Ferrer. Of course, their vice president of academics, Ma'am Sosa Rivera. Ayun pa kayo mga araw mag-dressing.
Okay, pahinga natin ang yell ng SDC.
Dito ba si Bishop? SDC, yell ito ha?
Ano na SDC?
Nakalimutan na ba ako ng school ah?
Once again, palakpakan natin ang athletes ng St. Dominic College of Batanes. Good luck sa inyong mga larong bukas, SDC. I request the school president or Ma'am Presi to be here at the grandstand. Wala na talaga. And now we welcome the Maroonians, the athletes of the Batanes National Science High School, BNSHS, with their school principal, Zachary D. Medina.
Di ba namin nababawalang pagpayong?
Alright.
Ano ang patay ng buwan sila?
Yan ang all welcome, Galaw, Pilipinas. We also welcome their teachers and coaches, and we request the school principals or Dr. Medina to be here at the grandstand. Good luck sa inyong mga laro, Science High!
Ano ko sa production? Ano yung production number ko? Ang duty ba ko next year lang na? Ayan, konti na lang to. Lubak na lang. Saskat lubak kami. Thank you very much to the teachers and coaches of Batanes National Science High School.
And of course, Last but definitely not the least, let us all welcome the community athletes and emphasize the municipality of Pasco. Headed by, of course, a very active mayor, the Honorable Herman Bacau.